those white foam on the bottom. Look at the white foam on the bottom. Now you can see it exactly. So some people keep telling me, what can you tell by just looking at the vial? I can tell a lot. Hello everyone, Dr. Ash is here, and today I want to discuss about another anabolic from the black market, and it's Hexabol. Hexabol from British Pharma. So technically today I'm gonna review the unboxing, the vial quality, and so on. And next week I'm gonna discuss about the ZPHC Trenbolone acetate. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. You're not gonna miss this one. So as usual, if you have any question, you can contact me through the email. I will try my best to explain those matters for you. And as usual, I do not advocating of taking any kind of steroid, human growth hormone. And if you want to do so, please do it with your own doctor prescription and advice, because these things can harm you for life if you're not sure what you're doing with yourself and what you are putting in your system. My main purpose is to tell you, does the label of these products represent what is inside to prevent or reduce the amount of harm you can do to yourself? I appreciate if you can support me through the PayPal channel as well. So first of all, where does British Pharma come from? In my opinion, British Pharma is produced in India. It's not from Britain, it's not from any other country. Based on my research and connections I could find, I believe it's sourced in India. When I unboxing this, I will explain more. What is Hexabol? Is Trenbolone Hex is Trenbolone hexahydrobenzyl carbonate, which is a long ester for Trenbolone. So unlike the Trenbolone acetate, Trenbolone Hex is work way longer and it stay in your system way longer, and it is more toxic as well. So based on what I understand, this produced by a French company, and it has been used by Dorian Yacht and people around those era, and they were using 70 to 80 milligram 2 shots a week, and they were only doing near the competition because it has a very strong effect on their livers. So they understood it that time, so you better do not exceed what they've been doing that time. So this is my advice, but it's up to you. It's very potent. It's has a long ester. It can peak within 3-4 days, and it can last in your system up to 10 days. Some people say up to 14 to 15 days. So it's based on the different researches. So now that we little bit understand about this, I want you to know you should not touch this if you're not doing pro bodybuilding, and if you're even doing those, please discuss with your own doctor. So let's have a look at the box. So this is the box. As you all know by now, this British Pharma kind of tried to pack the product as nice as possible. They put a little bit of effort. So here also, as you can see, it is quite same as other product that they have. It well packed. It has some kind of cover, plastic cover, to prevent the vial from breaking or getting damaged. It has a very nice logo here, and it's well written. This is 76 milligram Hexabol or Trenbolone Hex, and the description is quite well, very nice vial in the first look. Let's see how's the all right, look at this. This is where the no come. Look, the aluminum can easily be this is the part I hate. Look at this. This shows the low quality of the amps. So these can cause the exposure and also contamination. If it reach here, it easily can peel off. This aluminum case can go away, and this stopper here will be easily removed. So therefore, when you want to inject into this and you want to draw out, these can move out, and then of course the contamination can happen. That's what I don't like. So the looks are good, however I don't really like this. The oil is interesting to me, quite cloudy oil. This oil is clear, is the bottom part is very cloudy. I don't know if you can see, if you can really see the, let me shine some. I hope you can see there is a big cloud. It seems like this hasn't been dissolved well. So this at the bottom I can see, I think you'll be able to see it as well. The bottom part is the, I think the active ingredient didn't disperse well into the oil, and as I can see, I think it has a high amount of benzyl alcohol inside, unfortunately. Look at here as well. So technically this is a big no to me already, because I don't like this at all. And look at those white foam on the bottom. Look at the white foam on the bottom. Now you can see it exactly. So some people keep telling me, what can you tell by just looking at the vial? I can tell a lot. I can tell things that normal people cannot tell, and they don't care. Yes, maybe if I shake this it will disappear, but I should not, and you should not, receive a vial which the active ingredient didn't disperse right into the product. I strongly warn you for this, guys. And this is not a cheap product. I spent 70 USD for this, so this is technically, I don't know who wants to put this in their system. So the scratching part is quite as the previous, so it's quite well made, this part. You can easily scratch the authentication code. I don't think this is on the box, and the bottom I already can tell this is a real British Pharma. However, let's check. So as you could see, it is legitimate, and although the quality of this product is already a big question for me. Let's get back. So guys, as you could see already, there are so many red flags about this product. The dispersion of the active ingredient is a question, the cap is a question, and as you could see, based on the authentication, this is a real British Pharma. So I'm not fabricating anything to say this product is bad, that product is good. I have no problem to tell any product is legitimate if they are, and I have no problem to say any product has a problem, their distribution line has a problem, or the product inside is not a real if they are not. And that's the way I'm working here. Some people may agree, some people may disagree, so but that's up to them. I will try to upload the final result of this as soon as possible, as well as the Trenbolone Ace from the ZPHC. Please stay tight. I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.